You can quickly create temporary assemblies to use in your estimates. This will save you some time from having to build assemblies with all of the correct material items. You will use your experience to approximate the labor hours and material cost. You will still need to order the material items that will be needed to install the temporary assemblies. You can always replace the temporary assemblies once you win the job. Click the Add Temp Assembly button. Click to add a new temporary assembly to the Takeoff tab text box. Enter the temporary assembly description. Enter the labor hours that you think the temporary assembly will take to install. The labor cost will be calculated based on the job site employees selected in the Direct Cost Job Site Employees tab. The average pay rate and burden rate will be used to calculate labor costs. Enter the approximate material cost for the temporary assembly. Click the plus symbol to see the job site employees. Temporary assemblies will be displayed at the top of the Takeoff tab. Enter a quantity into the column where it will be installed. Temporary assemblies will be displayed in Documents by the Takeoff tab column name. The temporary assemblies material cost is included in the Estimates material cost. The temporary assemblies labor hours are included in the Estimates pay rate and burden cost.